Hey there, Reno low rollers. We're at the Pepper Mill right now. We're playing some Dragon Train. We just landed the free spins off of, we have $20 in free play in the machine right now. Let's see what we can do. We're on the 2-cent denomination, $1 bet. Oh, it sticks. Wilds. Okay. More. Oh, keep landing them. Get those. All right, orbs, fireballs, whatever. Do it, fireballs. All right, wilds. One game remaining. Land the fireballs. Fireballs. Fireballs, please. Oh, come on. We had the chance for the other one. All right, well, that's it. $11 is what we won. Thanks for watching. Hey there, Reno low rollers. We're at the Pepper Mill right now. We're playing some Dragon Train. We just landed the gold nuggets or whatever these are. Fireballs. I'm not sure what they are. Whatever. We need to get 15 of them. Let's land the train in there. We're on the 5-cent denomination. $1.25 bet. Let's land the train. Come on, buddy. Where's the train? Fill it up for that grand. 43,000 would be nice. Two more. Anybody home? One's home down there. Nobody's there. Okay. It's nickels, so it's okay. It's a little win. $80 win. All right, guys, I'll be back with another spin and another win. Thanks for watching. All right, Reno low rollers, we are playing some Dragon Train at the Pepper Mill right now. We just landed the free spin feature. Let's see if we can get anything good, baby. Now this has the locking hold. So let's do it. Land a bunch. Sticky reels, there's one. Not good enough, come on. Land a bunch. Where's all my sticky reels? Come on. Nothing. Sticky reels. Two more games. Come on. Nothing. Orbs. Final game, $8. We'll be back with another spin and another win, my friends. Hey there, Reno low rollers. Okay, we landed the free spins again. We're on the nickel denomination, $1.25 bet. Let's see if we can land anything good. Mini's worth 50, miner's worth 250. It's got the sticky wilds. Need a bunch of wilds. Wild, okay. It's a good start. More wilds. There's no more there. And now it gives you the balls. Oh, Jesus, do it now. Balls. 3 more. Man, we got blocked bad. Wilds. Last game. Make it good. More wilds. 16 bucks. Nothing great. We'll be back with another spin and another win, my friends. Hey there, Reno low rollers. Okay, we are playing some Dragon Train. We're going for that grand jackpot up there. Let's see if we could land it. If we could land those with the train symbol, we have a chance to win that Fortune 8 jackpot right there. We do have the sticky wilds. Let's see if we can get a bunch of sticky wilds. Got 2 on the first spin. Nothing good. More. There's another one. Nothing really great. Do it. Another one. Wilds. All right, that's good. We got her all the way across. 39 bucks. Fireballs. Not 10s. Fireballs. All right, well, we got wilds again. One more game. Alright, well, we got wilds. Not a horrible win. We won 55-55. Be back with another spin and another win, my friends. Hey there, Reno low rollers. Okay, we finally got the little nuggets. It just dropped the major, but it didn't give it to me because it only gave me 4 orbs and one of them was the major. Maybe it'll drop it again. Let's see. It's $808. Come on, drop me the train too. Oh, that's a $50 one right there. Drop me a minor. It's $500. Seen the mini for 100. It's not about seeing it, it's about landing it. Land anything. Nothing. It's not a horrible win. $100. $100 is $100. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be back with another spin and another win. Hey there, Reno low rollers. We just landed the nuggets again. Drop me the train, the major, and minor. Fill it up for the grand. Any one of those. Something good, baby. 25. Some good looking orbs up here. We're on the dimes, in case you guys didn't notice that down there. Another $5. Drop me a word. Come on, give me one of those progressives. Give me a progressive. Do it, baby. All right, kept me alive. Progressive. Progressive. Nothing. I knew it. It's a pretty good win, though. Yeah, nice little $142 win. All right, that gives us more play money. I'll be back with another spin and another win, my friends.